since we're just gonna fix these little things, I'm just running this tape so it'll make the process a lot quicker. I just follow this and then I run design line right at the edge of the tape.
Yeah, when you heat it up with bake lamps, it makes it tacky. So
is that just basically meaning just come off there? Yeah, like really easy?
Now it's so fresh, so it's not like 100% like baked on, you know what I mean?
Right.
So, but anything anything with the wraps that we do, we always bake it, and then we put it outside so you can get that expansion and contraction. But you know, sometimes it won't do nothing until you start putting heat and maybe wind or whatever. Then it'll do a lot of crazy stuff, and that's what happened pretty much here. You know, again, for us, it's not throwing that excuse; it's that solution that we're going to give you.
So this is called design line. It basically acts like a blade, so you don't have to cut on the car. And this right here will cut our stripe for us. And this one's design line, so this one's meant for creating designs. So and this one's got a pink strip inside, but this one doesn't curl up because it's meant for designs, you know.